Bellerman. And Bowie Sung.
Brendan should have gotten this last year because Mr.
Congratulations to those
Burschel
students.
marked him absent one day when he wasn't.
And the
She
next
didn't
award
get
that I
it.
want to recognize is called the Gertrude McBride Award. And
That's
Gertrude
the only year he would
McBride
have ever
organized the
gotten
first
it. The
PTA
only year he
unit
had
here at
perfect
Springfield.
attendance.
Later, she served as president of the Springfield PTA Council, also as member of the school board, and was the first woman to be elected to the president of a public school board in the United States. In her honor, each year, an award is given to a model student who is worthy of recognition based on good academic effort, citizenship, and has also shown the most improvement through the year. Along with the certificate, the student will receive a $25 check, and I am proud to announce that the 2013 Gertrude McBride Award goes to Timothy Jean. And the final award that I want to recognize, this is a special award for those of you who know Mr. Mike Brooks, who retired here from Hickory last year. This will be the second award recipient of this. The first one was given last year at his retirement. Mike Brooks was given, he had 41 years of teaching in the Springfield Public School District, 40 of which were at Hickory Hills.
Wow.
So many of you have worked with Mr. Brooks this year still, as he's dedicated a lot of his time to the greenhouse and working on projects through the school. Teaching was and still is Mr. Brooks' passion, and we want to recognize an 8th grade student who displayed a great attitude and spirit at all times. Also a student who put forth great effort, citizenship, and was consistently responsible and trustworthy. And again, I'm proud to announce that the 2013 Mike Brooks Spartan Spirit Award goes to Jenny DeCastro.
I think we all realize how important it is for kids to be connected to school, and we have several students that we want to recognize today just by having them stand up and participated in a lot of our activities throughout the year. So we'll start with the girls. If you participated in girls basketball, would you please stand and be recognized? Now volleyball girls, please stand. Girls track. Cheerleaders. All right. Thank you so much. All right, gentlemen, boys football, please stand.
Woo!
Basketball. Track.
Woo!
How about everybody in the middle school wrestling program? Do we have any 8th graders? All right. Maybe in high school. All right, students, I really encourage you to continue being involved in school, participate in athletics. Parents, just for your information, they have lots of announcements that have been being made from the Central High School, Glendale High School, about summer programs, camps, workouts. So if they do not have any information, please call those high school offices and get that, because they have stuff scheduled all summer long. All right, we have our next awards are honor roll students, and we'll begin with regular honor roll, which is students who maintain a 3.0 to a 3.69 GPA all year. And then we'll recognize our principal honor roll students who had a 3.7 or above the entire school year. So Mr. Vega will announce your names. Please hold the applause until everybody's name is called. We get to this much quicker.
Okay, for regular honor roll, and we've got quite a stack. Quickly on this. Maddie Allman, Eli Barnes, Jamison Barnes, Gerardo Mateo, Ashley Burks-Williams, Connor Burnett,
Woo!
Trace Quinkenbeer,
Woo!
Ulrich Colbert, Zach Crosby, Daniel Davis, Devin Duncan, Hiram Duran, Elizabeth Geschke, Emily Getz, Autumn Hake, Brendan Haley,
Thank God. I was holding
Chris
my breath.
Hansen,
Because of algebra.
Lindsay Hayes, Jasmine Herrera, Taryn Hessen,
I'm just letting everybody.
Jacob Higgins,
Just about.
Christy Johnson,
Oh, yeah.
Loa Kabua, Azan Khan, Amanda Crucker, Lakota Losh, Thomas Maggard, Max Marchuk, Nikki Martin, Tyler Merrill, Bryce Mulhall, Shelby Nelson, Rune Park, Isabel Pedraza, Shay Pendergraft, Robert Rios, Brittany Smith,
Oh, scared me.
Hannah Smith, Jordan Smith, Tia Smith, Keegan Steen, Zion Stevens, Cameron Stiles, Carter Thomas, Deanna Benerdikov, Marcus Whalen, Deanna Williams, Ku Yang, Bang Yang, Howard Ying, and Nu Zing. Give these honor roll students a round of applause.
We did it. We did. Wow. Yeah. All right.
And now for principal's honor roll.
See you.
If you received it last year, you got an academic letter. So if you already have an academic letter, you can pick up a gold star right here in front of me. If you have not yet received an academic letter, you may pick up an academic letter. Jenny V. Castro, Katie Chambers, Cameron Crumpler, Noah Crouch, Addie Cantrell, Claire Ellerman, Owen Gann, Callie Hackworth, Tanner Kellerstrass,
Yeah.
Timothy Keeling,
Yeah, I was holding my breath. Because, yeah, I did very well in algebra.
Caleb Kelly,
Oh, Brandon can stay.
Olivia Lockhart, Brooke
I
Lawrence,
don't know. I don't think so.
Derek Moss,
So there's a few that don't get anything, I guess. We have 3D.
Brooke Metcalf, Habib Omar,
You can get a BB grade point average for 3D.
Michaela Pruitt,
We could have one and then have good
Abby
grades.
Packingham,
You know.
Sean Perryman, Maria Probans, Cole Phillips, Samantha Rowland, Bowie Sun, Kristen Van Winkle,
Yeah.
Grace Wiley,
Guess I always have dress clothes to wear. Yeah, it is.
Rachel Williams,
What? Oh, I know.
and
I've been
Cicely
wearing the
Wilson.
same pants for 2 years.
Yeah.
Because they were before.
Great job.
And he's wearing Rodney shoes.
You guys will all
So
stand
they're
up.
huge. I bought him a very nice pair of dress shoes. And he wore them, but they're too small. He wore them maybe 6 times. So
All right, thank you guys. Take a seat.